This and buds.
What? Tell her.
Phone a burn up.
What? Every minute somebody mention me.
Tell your
Me
man.
see your phone, me see her go on, yeah, kick up views.
Tag along bad man, me not lie.
And you know, so if I tell you the truth. Oh, you did there. I will away there when the song build up. Fire creative. Fire phone that one.
Yeah.
Fire said, don't open your mouth.
Real.
Don't open your mouth. For all of the fans them when don't like open their mouth. And you know over there so they have the fans them where can open their mouth.
And one thing though with you, girl, you're determined, you know long. You write song and song that when I get a bus here. I rate you.
How long now me I do music?
I must say a long time, you know. You write song from primary.
Boomba. Some know say I'm a real Gina dog. Even me remember say so long me I do music, you know. Yo, hold on. You know say somebody I link me I tell you. Yeah, cut.
Careful on the road. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Open your eyes.
Yeah. Same to me.
Come on. Eat out. Boy, that man, they have to come here every night. You can't
You
make
can't
sure.
stand it talk about she. I wish I did me one man to come for every night.
No one knows that she's safe still, doesn't me?
The girl is well alright. I worry about the wrong
Because
thing.
she's street smart, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I said some more. I want with it.
So you're not going to party tonight?
No, sir. We're staying home.
I know me wrong. I need no money.
We're broke.
Why? If we have money with that sponsor, I will have but now money, I know. Oh, you can't check yourself on that picture road still, so later.
Alright, yeah, man.
Yeah, take care.
Cool.
Boy, we need to do better, you know. Everybody's
man.
on the road and we're just there, so.
Not true. With a musty house, Lily.
I true school of way, man.
I don't like. Every time soon come, man. Know yourself. Understand?
I know me feel like me I go give one professor where look me a link.
Yeah, at least you have an option. I want to sleep yet. I don't know coursework.
Look at this one here. I said come in and ask about coursework.
Coursework.
Every minute now talk about man. How about man so?
So I'm to you, Kira. You not have no man. You come and talk about coursework. You not no man.
We can't go and talk. My main focus right now at college. Man can't stay for last one time I done college and get my Toyota RAV4 and something.
They're not perfect, you know. But you know, so we need them at times. We need to go cuddling. Somebody to take we out, bring us presents and gifts and make we feel special. Oh, you talk about, girl. And when you're down and your man call and tell us something nice, you know that feel good.
And if I'm money.
Worst thing I tell us is to get some money.
She don't understand, you know. Yes,
What
man.
do you?
Send me to college. Phone, man pay. Little apartment, yeah. Man still help me pay that. When you're lonely. One, you look start out in your pleasure. What you are going to do? Talk, man, talk.
I mean, no, she not have a tie. So tell me something. Suppose when you left school, right? And you get your degree. And you still not get a job. And you can't put out, you can't nothing for yourself. What you going to do? You are going to need backup TV, you are going to need backup. And the only backup is man unless you are going to take woman. Talk to me.
Well, I see one nice cute guy from his school and he say like me. I don't know if I like him so, but I think I'll give him a chance and see what I want.
Give him a chance.
Yeah, man, give him a chance and make him take your virginity.
Just make sure so when you start, you have your protection. Always have a condom.
You know, so sometimes I really want to know if it's true. Make sure so I don't make no mistake, you know.
We don't make no mistake. Are we have your front?
Oi! Me a come there. Yeah, David.
You know, say iPhone charger me come borrow though. Cause me wake up this morning and realize that my charger now work.
You can give one. You know what I mean? You can make sure me I get it right now for you.
So my friend Ashish not there.
Yo, I don't even hear about the name there right now, you know. Hold on. One second.
Yo,
Give me brother, what go on?
look one thing more you do for me today. No man, I know what me I send you man, I just want you to carry me, but drop me off on my wedding.
Yeah man, make yeah. Drop it down, sir. No problem, man. Me a forward now. Yeah? Alright, cool. Here we go on. Let me go for each other first. Look, I'm going to run on the road, yeah?
Alright.
Don't
yeah.
move on it. Listen.
Yeah, man. I respect you. Yeah, yeah, man. I wonder what they have. Let me call Ashley and find out what I go and call. Phone battery all dead too, you know. Now it sound like your phone ring on this, so. Girl! Sorry, I see the girl.
Yeah, mom. Are you call me?
Yes. Yeah, sit down. How you feel, man?
Boy, I not even know which part to start tell her from. By the way, how you here? How you know say me and my man in a thing?
Just a come for over your yard. I still go borrow your charger, because you lend me this and I know say no film charger. I've never seen me like phone charger. I ask him for you. You want to see the face he give me, you know say man there dirty dog though.
And I really him do nothing still, you know. But I want a long story, I will leave to it. One next time when I see him, tell him, I just stress out.
What you say? But it sound like a big things are going on the man. Like you hide things from me, you know, so we live.
No man, nothing like that. I not hide nothing from you, girl. I just stress out. You know, then one day I'm crab up. But I'm going to make you know what I go on. I go down here, yeah.
Make
you
sure
good
you know.
now.
Yeah man, me good man. If I not, you know, say you always can talk to me.
You go know everything.
You sure say yes, sir?
Yeah man, alright just man, alright just.
Oh. So, how you say I do it? Yeah, do you love it, sir?
You know say, I want my brethren link me for come video and wedding film. So hold on, when me say wedding your face look so?
You remember Ashley? For me, girl? And the reason I say girl right now because I can't believe she don't do that to me. Brother, the girl, no, give me bun with one brethren who I know personally. But at the party when I see her, you know what I mean? And to me, you better somebody when tell me about it than me have to see it for myself. Don't in a man throat. You know what I mean? I mean, I
Sorry,
say to
I
myself,
mean to laugh, but I don't in a throat part, can I get me? But really and truly on a serious note, me never expect that from Ashley still. But what should they know?
show up a yard there, brother.
Where you just say?
Try with a girl
Show
there.
up in your yard. Jaja. Alright, so hold on. Me think say done left her after she cheat. But big man thing. What you plan for? What you plan for?
Why, brother, for real, you know, hear what going on. Me when I think about for work it out, you know. But which part of the reach right now, brother? I can't do it because you see how I feel, or the girl that me feel seen say, you know, she do it and not tell him and tell a story about it. I feel for you and mash her down. You know what I mean? I lick down all the youth and thing. But based on what I go on, at 3 days, I give it come out of the place, you know. But it's still their yard still, but connection, no. 8 years, you know. 8 years, brother. That I promise.
Alright, you are one, brother. Not do nothing too rush. Zane, just take a deep breath and just think about everything what you gotta do. Because I know say rough, you know. You see me? See you now, how with me I gotta do. So people still are get married. So at least there is still hope. You see me? So just do the right thing. If you have to let her go. And just no rushing or nothing. If you find a new girl, you find a new girl. But make a match up this and now and just see if you can come pick me up later though, Zin? Alright, so if anything look more there, Zin? Let me go there, Zin, yeah.
you see there? Alright. You know, saying I make no sense, me try to communicate with you. And the thing is, you're going like a you for vex. And me for vex, and me to feel a way about the whole situation. I make no sense. Why this don't make no sense?
We can't deal with it like this. You understand? Me can't talk to you in this state. You me know say me wrong. No say I'm me wrong. But you're going like say you're perfect. Nobody not perfect. I don't like how you did a deal with situation in there, so that's why I come out and say me a breeze out.
Past that stage a long time, you know. Past that stage a long time. You know what I mean? Cause I guess I know. You see the stage over there right now is like a broken glass. Can't mend up. Can't me personally don't have that time there. El finito, we just done. Can't work out certain way. You understand? And when you see me walk out here, so come talk to you. I talk to you because I'm going to know, say, oh, you have to just take your things and go on. You know what I mean? Because you can't work.
What you mean me have to pack up and leave? Baby, when me I go stay? Yeah, me know say me wrong.
Let me tell you this. When you do what you do, you never think about where you go stay afterwards. You never think about the other thing.
I know say me wrong and everything, but me not have, you have to give me some time or something.
No time not there. I be a skeleton there right now. So guess what now? You see, what me see with my eyes, seeing, and somebody come tell me, you know, and somebody come and miss you with my eyes. So guess what you have to do? You have to understand. Alright, here I go. Me I give you 3 days. 3 days. 3 days me I give you. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. And after 3 days, you better find somebody. So today, my time now. The time start now, you know.
Baby, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days can't work. Me are there for 8 years now. Look for me when me attack me. 3 days. 3 days can't work. 3 are dead. By the way, me are there for 8 years now. And by rights, me supposed to all have shares in everything.
You're lucky me I give you 3 days and now me put you out. You talk about shares. Share was the only thing we share was a plate of food. You know what I mean? Because I guess you know, 8 years and you fit do that to me. You don't think about the flip side of the situation. You are going. Do what you want to do, you know. Because me I tell you have to go.
If me go down to the lawyer right now or anywhere, them can tell you by rights. You have to give me more time or sir, have some sympathy. Me and you together. It's like you don't have no
you know,
heart.
If you want to reach a police, make it reach a police. But you have to do what you have to do. Enjoy your day. You start now.
How did this idiot waste money? Hey, you must feel like a psycho. A wrong girl this year. By the way, anything where you say, just go on.
Father God guide me, you know. Because I guess right now, you see a girl that talk or kind of something, I don't want to do not know I'm not supposed to do, you know. Make sure take her things out of the place.
You know, say me all a grow on me too. Because any other boy they dash me thing them out the door. A war, you know. Any boy dash me sit them out the door.
I'm with him realize say you're not really into me again.
What?
See all this man you wake up. Normally when you wake up you just say, babes, you look pretty, you know. This man you know say, babes, you look pretty or nothing. You just get up and just start the way you do so. How I go on?
Look how much things you have to do this morning. Go wash your plate. Go sort out the mat out of front. I don't know how to sort it out because there's so much things you are telling me to do at once. And then me I do it. I don't know what I want. Babe, you're pretty every day. You understand? You're a beautiful woman. But you have to understand, say, when you put me under pressure sometimes to do everything, it's kind of frustrating. Me go forget. Because you love attention. You know that.
Yeah.
So stop
You're
acting
supposed
like
to
that.
love attention. Me a feel woman. You feel me, man? If you always want your attention, as much as me give you enough things to do, in between you're supposed to come back to me. First one you do, you come back and say, babes, your eye them pretty. Second one you go back and come back to me and say, babes, your teeth them white. Third one you go, you come back and you say, babes, the shape good, you know? I want to you, me supposed to always have your attention. So nobody come to me with your foolishness.
My God. You hear me? You hear yourself? I wonder if you hear yourself. If me have a phone recorder right now, me can hear yourself. Me feel run go so. I relay me I play. I must relay. Me tell you this. Me understand you. But the greatest thing if you appreciate. Because me done gone left, right and center, but me still there. So yes, me not give you attention. But come on. Jesus. Eh? You have to work it out with me. You know what I mean? Alright then. Give me a little time out then because there's no way me go run. Yes, I run. Come back. I don't really me a play.
When me a peel your banana, you ever ask the time off yet? Hello, the least you can do, I go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am. And stop the complaining about what if I think upon your brain. Me I only think for the upon your brain. When me I do the dirt and do everything where you like, you ever ask the time off yet? The least you can do, I come to me every minute and say, you look sweet today, you're looking beautiful, honey I love you, all them things there. You complain about how you want time off. Hello, I only think for the upon your brain. You complain when you want this, when you want order this? No, you're not complaining. So when me tell you, say, you have to go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am, you're supposed to be. Yo, ready to come on and rock with one.
Yo, you say that girl is, you have to have style. Come here tell you, say, you see me? Me have two girls, and you see two of them live in a 1 yard. And none of them don't know. Because a style do it. Me have girl all boy place, me have girl round so. And me have one girl up on the lane there. Because of style. They love the flow. You see what I say? Me a girl is brother. Actually you don't understand.
Oh, go on out there, so. How are they going?
So hold on there. What my boy you do? How much money you have?
One me have. Only one. But guess what? We don't really need no more because, you know, she kinda too much, you know? Because the attention thing, me not no space for nobody else. Because right now, I know that she's won't come. That's what I talk about.
How are they going? How are going out here, so?
Babe, I'm for no reason. I eat the ice mint and cool out. Nothing wrong, nothing wrong. I talk. I just talk, I want you ready for me now?
Yo, you know something you cut to public. Just deal with it, isn't me? Really?
So wait there, it look like your friend them more important than me. Me there in there so want little attention and you out here so with friend.
Babe, come on man, yo. Out here say my brethren and talk to him. Why make you always stick me up with that something?
So
like?
I wonder how you would have feel if me go spend all of the time where you forget with my friend them.
Me don't want you give your attention to your friend them want me forget. You understand? So no stick me up man. There's a reason for a second. You understand? So when it come down to the fact say your time or your time, me not take out of your time. So what you want from me? What you want?
You know what? Don't make me reach him before you, you know? Don't make me reach him before you. Alright. So, I want where I hold out on board. You don't know what if you do?
Oh. You're beautiful. How's your day, sweetie? Is there anything else you want me to do for you now?
How you sound, sir? You don't sound confident at all. I swear me not believe you. By the way, how are you the phone a text? You have next woman?
Come on, babe. You want the phone? Me not text nobody. Me just a chill because we up on the road all day. And you know, I start out where I start out. Me deal with everything. You close them, wash the clothes and fold up. You know what I mean? Me don't know. I just that. Alright. What you want me to do now? Tell me what you want me to do. Me don't want money.
What the fuck? Give me a phone. You not use no more phone first away. Give me a phone. Give me a wallet too. Cause me not fatten no phone for man goes. Give me a wallet. Give me. Go over this sit down. Get up.
Yo, oh, this a man.
Your bright self.
I feel like a torture. Just because I have a woman? No, sir.
Babe, you know, said I have something I want to tell you. I'm the one we tried to tonight.
I could have what that now?
Me come tell you.
This a rasta. Give me wallet. Second time alive, yeah. Yo.
Babe.
Go here.
Babe. Babe, where you gone? Where you gone leave me? You know what? Me I go date a ballad. I rasta now work out.
You have a condom?
Yeah, man. Let me buy. Alright, here we go. Me go shop right now, quick, and host it in the lock, and me I come back. Come in and know what you want, give me the Advil and I...
Alright. Go on fast and come back. Hurry up.
I'm coming. Babes,
Yeah.
it's sexy for me. You see me coming up?
Yeah.
Don't move, yeah?
Why my herbs are bad, you know? Tell you. Herbs wicked, man.
Yeah, man, but boy, you want to try this one, yeah? Lick me chip right now. Try you, me and see.
Man, you really come so? I don't care no condom. Big old Advil. I might have just call one next man too.
Serve! Oh man, can't believe, man. Can't believe. What is that? Is that a sign? What's that? Serve! Yeah, man, see we up now. Yo, brother, may I beg you one favor there? Nothing can go on for me in the shop there tonight, please.
Boy, I know so nothing can go on for your shop lock off. Tomorrow business that now, my general, man, will lock off.
Fuck, man. Let me salsa, man.
Goes on skirt, yeah. Ah, see another more.
Yo, brother, your manners and respect, my boss. Oh, greetings, mommy. Greetings.
Good night, sir.
Yeah, man, my son are going with the vibes, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, good vibes.
Yeah. Yo, me know one situation, brother. But I don't know how to ask and thing, you know what I mean? This is a big embarrassment because I don't really want to feel that way, you know what I mean? But, yo, come here, sir. Come here, please. Just, you no condom for you?
No, so I'm not really on camera.
Bomba, Channel Star. You know, so I come from that shop, but, yo, is everything good? Yeah? Manners and respect. Yes, sir. Take it time. Oh. What knife in there? Someone knife in there too. Oh, that man.
Don't answer.
Yo, bro! Yo, bro! Yo, bro!
Who that? Don't answer.
Yo, man, I fall. How that? Yo, bro, come in, man. Yo. Come. Yo, bro. 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 Dog. Brother, I look like you're under the pressure, but I'm not busy with that. You have a condom, girl, let me, please. Please. Bro, condom in the middle of something. Bro, I'm going to make something too. Man, check. You have just used the last one, man. Oh, man. I gotta go back. I gotta go finish this. One day if people just raw dog. Yo, B. Which way there now? Yeah, man. I'm 5 meters away from you, you know. I can link you right now, you hear? Yeah, man, just put on something sexy, man. Something short, too. Yo.
Yes, my boss.
What you asking now, General?
You know, sir, it's a situation I find myself in right now, late night.
Yeah, man, because you're going. Yo, I buy a condom today, but guess I know. I go to the shop and things you condom then give me, Advil then give me. I don't understand what I'm going, but tomorrow I start that out. But right now, brother, you're going. I don't know if you have a spare one, you can bust me, because I'm going to mash our works right now. Tell him, man, look at. Yo, I see your situation I'm in right now. Chop blouse and skirt. Yo, a raw dog business. Yo, brother, bless up yourself. Yes, sir.
Guidance, man.
Alright, cool.
Guidance. Boy, you're going to yourself, you know, in a way. But when you come here, behave like you're a big fan of jerk.
Something good, man. Good on, man.
I sure I couldn't wait for you if you come.
Well, I'm glad I couldn't wait. I'm really glad I couldn't wait. I think we need to do this more often, you know.
Make it. Baby.
This is the proper place to delete them. First connect.
See you what, please.
Kemar, I wish party day. Look, more you for meet me run a jerk center 3 days like right now. Alright, just the way I do and just make sure it's your hurry up.
Yes. Not 3 times a sit. Look to your right. The dead one. See you, know. Hey. You see, as beautiful as this place is, it's not even half as beautiful as you are.
Thank you very much. But look at this. Tell me now. What is that, Kemar?
That's Candy.
So who is she to you?
Candy, I'm a business partner. Wait, hold a minute. Put a fork in it. Let me tell you something. Candy is the reason why you call me out here. Eh? Waste food, personal time, food, precious time. Look how much things we can do. Look at the scenery. Look how much things we can do. Look how big. Come on. Yeah. Let me tell you this. We talk about this already, you know. Candy, I'm a business partner, and Let me tell you this, man. I work with a lot of females, you know. You have to understand, so I don't want them, and you me want. And you are my number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We don't have to go through this again. No, have to go through here, someone.
So what other business you want Candy have a do? Cause you can't tell me say you work with how much woman and you never look upon none of them yet.
This year really gone with it. Come on, babe. You know, say if no want them, we're not lying. Listen to me. As a man, we see what and everything we see we want to touch. You know what I mean? We see it. It's there. But I choose not to. Some of them feel like say me out there work with them, I'm interested in them and all these things. And you remember saying, alright, look on it this way. You see, from my perspective now, I see you work with Billy Babush daily. And you know, in our state of conversation. But guess what? I'm not business about what I talk about because we don't have to have an innocent or whatever conversation. Because I trust you, I put my trust on you, so I really.
See me know say you're guilty right now. See me know say you're guilty because me call you here for different something and you gone all the way a Billy Bob because you want to ignore what me have to say. That's why I just can't trust them man, you know. Me just can't trust you know.
You can't trust them man, yeah. This year gone with it. And about me and you again. About man out the road. That you really bring come here, sir. Because, hey, as a matter of fact, let me ask you a question. You have Candy number, how you get that picture then? Come in and say just get up one day and just call me. If you hurry up and do so, meet me here, so in all these places. Oh, look at the place nice, you come talk about Candy, my worker. How you get that picture then?
Don't worry about how me get the picture. And try to lower your voice because I don't have to dig up when I know to dig up. You hear me I tell you? I ask questions and I just did want to see how she look at that side and get the picture. And I can't believe say me a big old fat ugly people here talking. Look how much nice girl you work with, although I know see you talk to two nice one then yes. But this one here don't make sense.
Babe, what do I do for a living? That's the first question you have to ask yourself. Saying, if you see me I do some short films and I act some movie and all these things and I sing, you have to understand the interaction is there, you know. You understand? Hey, you know, take a normal average woman to deal with the situations, but understand that. Because, you know, it's natural for you to feel a little insecure about me and sing to other women to, you know, ease them pain or to make them feel good. You know what I mean? But you have to understand, say, I choose you, that's why I make sure I stay away.
That's why you stop me feeling type of here. Stop me have to go around and ask questions about people. I dig up and try to get picture about people. Just stop me feeling type of way here and I feel do them something here. You think I really want to do this? I don't want to do this none at all. So please me I ask you. I don't want to call your phone and can't get your phone. I mean if you call people and something. I don't want to come and look for you. I just want you to come home when you finish work. Please.
Yeah. I don't make more effort. You know, sir, you're right. You're really right. Because guess what now? Communication is a must. And when we start out, we should communicate regularly. You understand?
Exactly.
So what I'm going to do now is now make sure, say, I put in the work for you. Yeah? Who's the prettiest girl in the world? You. You're my girl.
So we are getting ice cream?
Yes, we can get. Alright. You know where I do?
Stay home tonight.
Yes, babe.
Come.
Come on.
Do you know what to play?
Yes, of course.
Me confront him and Like every time I confront him about something, that the same thing he might tell me over and over again. Like he might tell me saying love me and me know say I'm me one and then something there. But me still not trust him. Exactly. I mean know the kind of woman them when in love. See, me not put that past him none at all. So at that way I go. Me just want you to continue. Keep your eye on him, please. Tell her you can't trust them money, you know, girl. Can't trust them money. No worry about that, man. Me I go call you back and then we can discuss that, alright? Alright, later. Alright, friend.
You know, so I feel like, for all of them, I feel like, say, whole lot of people up on my out.
Worry, and I think we know that long time. You think me just see that?
You know, the funniest thing too, true, we are picnic, like, they not go think, say, we are see what go on.
Worry, me not to watch them, you know. Because they not set no example, like how we have to take care of them.
I think a joke thing, it look like, say, we have to take care of them. It's true. Because of the day, I see what man on the internet that goes so big bad order for the Prime Minister.
Now, me I show you, man, thief two and mad people, them, yeah. From me remember myself, my people, them tell me, say, man, I bring you to the world. And me as a little pitney know that, and that the big man, they don't know that. A little pitney have to go run the world, now.
And yeah, I thought that we just make a serious talk, you know? But what do you think we could do to help make things better? What do you think we could do to help them mad people?
Boy, I think about it rough. I think you have to go to school and learn a book now.
No, so I will go down back in the yard before me come.
Alright then, come on.
Rory, mommy say not to left out the yard.
I'm not gonna know when my friend them a go for wardrobe.
Mommy say if you not left out the yard, me say come back now.
Oh.
Who is calling?
No, the man from come win off him money, man.
What that for? Alright.
Alright, come here, man. I want to lose our fellow could change.
Might you lose back your money to the attack.
Papa, you have a ball field.
So you do everything now yard already?
Yeah, man, I see Papa yard and everything already.
Make sure, you know. I lock the gate when you have. But Wallace, you said no, you call you. I'm done with call you.
Rory! Rory! Rory!
Yo, me I go over ball girl and I come.
You know, so me can't come home, so I have to come out of the yard.
Man, you can't do that, brother. Call me, I go play some football up. That's how we are going.
Man, you can't come now. You will get beaten if I come. Yo, go and left me. I go check sitting around this so I come back here.
Alright, me I got a ball ground now. Make sure you come in because you tell me say you come. I go pick up on my team. So come a ball ground.
So Don man, how you alone sit down right here so when I draft you?
Shorty, you know, say no me one do. And I rest down there can go things saying going up with a file. But me know say a ball in can ball over money.
So you really take away the whole of the man money?
When you all that money and can ball over it.
Noted. So come at me and play a game now?
I mean one anytime I ready.
I drop me and make me even know if you play the game, you have to go show me.
Well, that not like no problem, you know. Like you're a fast player now.
So I'm going differently?
As usual, they are going easy now, right? And I'm more to a new woman in my life.
You? You don't want nobody. One good thing you want to do a mess with people, girl, pick me. If you get some away from high school, come fix up the table. Come.
Anna, Wendy. In there, like that baby. My baby, no baby, Anna. Oh no.
I go up on the road, they're trying to figure it out. Because mommy say no feel left yard. Come, call go on in.
No.
You know, so I feel like you want to make me win the game then. But I show me have to go away now.
Yo, you're good, man. Next time we're here.
Alright, bless up yourself.
Alright.
Jano, not even did realize the rain fall. Sure, me go in there one of my long time school friend did in there make me never mash up the mission, you know. Sure.
Where's that, man? Me no business about that. A serious mission this, you know. Rasta man need for dead. Alright, let me tell you something if you don't know what going on. I know if you know the brother when named Fire Us. But me usually drive for him, you see me? And enough styling go on. But I know say him have some whole heap of dogs. You get what I say? And that the man there one of them. Him a one of the top dog them. Me need that the man that get take out of the picture first. Me tell her say if you just put hey. Ah boy, how am I gonna deal with this now? Give me a strap.
Jano, the thing did sensitive, you know, man. And that the man they know everything about me. Just make me hold on pan his strap for a little bit, man. Just make me go on hold on pan his strap. Because I couldn't deal with the mission. I have to just go on hold on. Because as me tell her, say, the man they know everything about me. Because me and him used to go to school and the man know my last name, the man even know me live. Yeah.
Alright. Here we go. I make you hold on pan his strap. I need to understand that this matter is sensitive just the same. And you could have bust out head same way, you know, bust out the two of them head same.
See, expect some supposed to bust out somebody head when me and them go to school. Jano, couldn't do it.
You know what?
Couldn't do it.
It's alright, probably me too eager. Probably me too excited to do this. And then again you have a youth. Hold on. You just get the idea, you know. You know what you can do? You can kidnap a youth, you know. You can get the youth and then lure him in instead of a probably buck up and see him nonsense like this again. Alright, here we go. Drive the car, ready.
Yeah, you know, so today when I forward on the block, it's a thing I come for deal with.
So, Miss Meredy.
But you save him. Yeah, so here what? Why you tell him to protect him youth, you see me, because I can run in that anytime.
Hold on. Tuta, come here. Jano.
But that's true because I see you. Yeah, because I did want this year, but you see boy Fire Us. Somebody set me up on a link for deal with a crime with him, you know. Yeah.
Right now, I have to make Fire know this, I have to tell Fire this. No joke. You see me? Right now, joke, I have to protect your son head now. Protect your son head, you understand?
Yo, I can't you. Just come make Fire know what's going on.
Alright.
Yo, tell me who. Ranjay, me no business push fire there now, you know. Just forward in our yard. No, you know. Alright, my son.
Yo, Wagwan! Yo, Wagwan! May I come? Yo, Wagwan.
Yo, me are serious with you in a forward.
Me know say true me never come and buy a field, you know. But I could have come. Sister already them manners me for the yard.
No man, and not that. I said serious than that. When me there bargain, my father call me, I would believe when he tell me say.
So your father call her to say?
Father tell me say me not fi left out the yard. Fi avoid bargain, and me avoid bargain. He gonna buy one PlayStation 3 for me and one of my friend and he said, who me fi buy from? I tell him say, I want one for you.
You too lie, your father not buy no PS3.
God no, true thing. Me run from bargain and come run and start see something happen. I think tell me yesterday.
When you say I'm gonna get them?
No, I know. He said if you avoid bargain, so me avoid bargain come on PS3.
Alright, remember what you say no? Remember what you say? I go up now, no. Because mommy no like when me come out just so, no. Not even so, I go up.
Alright, me I can go down to you now if I not liquor more.
Oh, Jutta, you me a look for now. You me a look for.
So you don't even know you.
You know, say, a brown man down the road, see me and say, I want to see you from window.
So the brown man I look for me for, brother. Brown man I look for me for. Tell me say me a person. Tell me say I see.
So my youth, I'm link the other day upon this man that will link back. How you see the nurse just lose so?
Brother, don't lick fire upon that already. That the man the way I talk about. Joke thing that, brother. That the man they not just chop you. That the man they just used to drive faking. You make me I go tell me youth say me go buy a PlayStation just to stay in our yard. Brother, that's soft man you. Soft done.
So you say, you sure say everything good? Cause that the girl there, you know, normal girl from high school, you know, that girl will slap out, people brain right, knowing. You understand? So you sure say everything good? Make sure, so you're sure say everything good.
My youth.
You understand? Make sure.
When the girl they come there, you see her with the strap. Them not on the strap.
So alright then, you have a strap now?
Me never left it yet.
Trita, I know say I have a strap but I never see it. The same time she could have her strap, I never see it. You get to me and say my father.
I understand what you're saying now. But you don't talk to fire, you know, about that, you know. Fire me I work with, you see me? Man said that lost my youth, so I like that. You see me, I pray about that. And my youth, PlayStation money me I pray about right now. You see me? So you can go and stress out yourself over that. I'm good. You hear that?
That's me general. Still, fire not God, you know. You can't see everything. You understand? Right now, I'm good enough to cause someone loose. Now go and really understand. So we link up.
Yeah, well, man.
They'll do some handy work. I can't forget myself out of this godforsaken place. Tommy. Yeah, I'm busy right now. Talk fast. Oh. Alright, give me about 3 more hours. 3 more hours and we'll be good. 3 more hours. The thing is, man, a little bit of complication, but it's fine now. I would just say the kerosene I did for the pick up and drop off. She's spoiled, so anything spoiled now we have to throw it away. Yeah. Yeah, we go up on the location. It did supposed to start from then, but she come back and tell me say, oh, she's a friend from high school, so she couldn't carry it out, and she even did want to keep the strap. So it just makes you feel like everything alright. I'm gonna figure more or less that she drop some information, so I'm gonna take no check. You understand? So yeah, business as usual. But give me 3 more hours, me pay for your trouble. Just stay at the wharf. You don't do the pickup, you know, because we don't want the paper trail lead back nowhere. So you get what I say? So give me 3 more hours, me pay for your trouble. Everything will alright. As I say, just run now and like a bit same thing there, so I have to clean it up and yeah. No, Tommy, you have it wrong. You have it totally wrong. I'm not interested any at all in taking over fire crime syndicate. I'm not interested in that. My plan is to take it down. I know I said precious to him and I know I said I love it. I don't want it. But anything that people love, you take it and you destroy it, then because I'm pain. So in 3 hours time, my friend, 3 hours.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Your name is Price?
Yes.
So it who you them really out to say your grandson them though?
Yeah, man, and my grandson, what happened?
I don't know how to tell you this now, you know. But you see your grandson them.
Yes.
You have to go send with them.
Send them my grandson. For what? Why me must send them when now?
One. You see Jota, the serious man, you know, you're not fine. You understand?
Yeah.
And no one around. You understand?
You understand.
So that's why I'm trying to listen. Because send where you can son them, but no one no trouble. You understand what I'm saying?
You're late. Plus, you don't have your book. How you plan for do?
Oh, to you. We finished them the assignment there already. Or something else me come to talk to you about. But it's embarrassing.
What kind of embarrassment? How happened?
Alright, so you know I'm single, right? I'm from with you. Me I try to put myself out there. I try to get a man. I literally go to the man and I look the man. And it's like me go there, you know, and me talk to the man. I smile and everything, you know. And then at one point he start dress back. Me I try go up to him and he just keep on a dress back. Me don't know what go on. And it happen with every one of them.
Hold on, the girl. Before I get down the line, integrity. Let me eat one of them experiment here. You want one?
No, sir, girl. I can't eat them something there. Them feel too weird in my mouth. Plus, them give you gas.
Alright, so what you ask about the man them now? Sorry, me I have to put on my mask, you know. Corona. What you say the man them do, you know?
You sure say everything alright?
Yeah, man, girl, everything good. So what you ask about the man them?
Me not have done corona, you know. But still, the man them just a run for me, so. I don't know why they just a run for me, so every time I go near a man, he just a run for me, so.
So girl, you not ask the man them what the reason for them a dress back from you or anything?
Girl, me not even know, you know, cause me not ask them, cause me just feel embarrassed. Me not like, cause if they really like me, why they would not shy away from me and not want to deal with me? They just a pull back from me, so, and it's embarrassing. And if they didn't really like me, why they would not pull away, so? I just can't bother ya.
Oh, going on, sir? Everything good?
Hello.
Pants, yeah, how far me I come from? So, Kira, where I going? You good? Kerry, how things?
Me alright, you know?
Yeah, alright, that's all, man. You know what I mean?
So, public, I'm to you. You alright? You good?
Things good, what? You don't think you're good? You sure you're good? Sit down, go on, let me get.
You know, say though, una act weird. Me want to know a wagwan. Why not act so?
Me tell you this. And you act strange. You come like you and Colgate and Malice. Me tell you something, man. You is not a good friend. Imagine say you know say fear amount under one different construction and you have spearmint over there so I know really push one in and shoot. You know what I mean? Mama. And I really say me I try to bring turmoil or anything like that. But it's never too late for a little brush with a little Colgate. You know what I mean? Don't hurry and come out your house. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day still, I don't want to feel too bad because you might have a rotten teeth when I back your mouth or something go on. I don't know. The situations are different, you know what I mean? But you can't people like around here because guess what now? She now make you know say boy something go on under this. So I can't take it no more. You want to go on, handle of business. You find something to do. If you never have nothing to do, you go do something. You need to find a new friend.
Hi guys, this is Bad Girl Care speaking. Alright, thanks for watching the video, and my channel is Bad Girl Care TV. Anyways, people, let me ask you a question. If you have a friend or his or her mouth stink, how would you ask them? Would you be brawling like public, or would you be like clear and try hide it and try hint out to make him or her know say them mouth stink? Leave it in the comment section below.
Never want to make sure. I feel like I got sick, you know. Friday night, then I reach in. Feel sick, man.
So, Natasha.
Yeah?
Where say I prepare for you now?
White rice and curry chicken.
White rice and curry chicken. Alright. So, we're going to find out if Mama can cook and how can I go on an honest review or pot.
Hello. Akin, when you done taste my food, you're going to want me cook every day for you.
We will see. So, can we look see what they have over here for seasoning for you, man? So, alright, what is that there? So, where are the curry is there? What is that there?
Are you buying? So you must know.
Alright, so they look like they have everything that they need so far. You have your Maggi.
Yeah.
And curry powder this.
But we got more seasoning gone to make people know say I know Maggi alone me use season up my meat.
Okay. Alright. So we see if you have one of the white material qualities then we shall find out.
I want me find my husband too.
So go and clean up the chicken there. So Mama, hold on that. You have the meat board there, so.
Yeah.
So I'm not that. Why not use the meat board?
I go use the meat board, cut up the meat after me finish, me just clean it up.
Oh,
You know
okay, okay. She not get nervous all like people, she know what I mean.
I know what I do, so I don't have to get nervous.
If you cut yourself, you need to lose 1 point. Alright, so we come back when she done clean up the... When she done do what she had there, sorry. When she done clean up the chicken and season it up and it's so I go.
How big is like this? Mirrors. You wanna embarrass me with those knife, Akin?
Man, you cut yourself, you know. Right now, every man will look at wife I watch her right now. I mean, man we can't afford one.
I don't have a proper knife, so I can't cut the chicken. Don't think that...
That are the excuse you give your husband?
I don't have a proper knife, Akin.
So that's the excuse you give your husband? Baby,
It's not an excuse.
I don't have no knife, so you can't get no dinner. Oh, God. Alright, she work with the... Alright, she not work with the proper knife. Alright.
Did you say? Don't forget to get fucked up. You hear that? Kiki always call people name in a video.
So, chef, you finished cut up the chicken now? Finished cut up and clean up?
Yeah, cut up and clean, and I'm going to season over but you know, me have to clean as my work, so.
So you're the type of like to keep your kitchen clean right through, you know, cut and left nothing there. So when you start to the kitchen clean, same way.
Of course, mother tell me say me can't cook in a dirty kitchen.
No, what I mean, you know, some people kitchen clean, but when they start, you have some time that there's some flour, there's so nah, them something.
No, sir. Me don't like see that. Me don't like see that no matter.
Me neither. I don't like see that. So she finished. Can we see what cut up thing look like?
Right there.
Can't really
He cut.
Alright, they cut up. Don't have to be too hard. So see it over there. So we're going to season up next.
Yeah.
Alright. Curry chicken, right? Yeah. Okay. So this video can be titled How to Cook Jamaican Curry Chicken.
Curry chicken. Let me teach you guys how to cook curry chicken because I know people that can't cook curry chicken.
Oh, hot girl cook curry chicken.
Oh, hot girl, exactly. Because the holy pot, Dolly cook curry chicken.
Alright, go for it. Let's see what I go out in the kitchen. Because I want to taste it. I'm going to tell you how it tastes.
We need one dish or something. Can I get one dish?
Oh, if I cut up the seasoning now.
Oh, we have everything we need.
So I'm going to have some curry chicken and rice. So Mama says she need a dish. I don't know what she's going to do with the dish. Cut up her sweet pepper and all these things. So I'll come back when she finish. Oh, let me tell you one quick thing. See? You see the onion?
Yeah.
You see, you know how to make it not burn your eyes? You see the eye, which is the back of the onion you just cut off? You see, if you don't cut it off, when I cut up the onion, it's not going to make her cry. No matter how much you stand up over it, it's not going to make her cry.
Oh, wow.
I have to drop like 2 cents. People can cook for you, you know. In case you man are there in the kitchen, I'm not dead for hungry, you know. Alright, so we'll come back when she's done cut up all of she has cut up last time, you know?
You know what I say?
You know what?
I can't cook with time.
You can't cook with time?
I don't cook with time. I don't feel like saying necessary.
But man,
like unless I rice and peas me I cook, but I don't feel like say time really necessary. Well, I don't want nobody to watch me and go things that me
I hear
when
opinion,
they hear me say that.
I hear opinion, so we feel like time not feel in a pot. Alright, go on there, think we come back when a time the pot up on the fire, so everything looks straight so far, people. As a certified chef, we can tell us that everything, you know, perfect, but it's good enough. More than good enough, so everything alright so far. Yeah, somewhere in there.
I don't like using her. But like what you have to do. Just that?
Really? Make a potential husband and sister. They can live a yard.
If you're looking for a wife that knows how to cook curry chicken, send me a DM.
people, she dash in the curry in her frying pan fast. What do you say I do your son now? Yeah, burn it or you fry?
Yeah, fry.
Okay. Alright, so good girl just throw in the oil and then throw in the curry and she mix it around. Let's see what next one go on. I'm going to taste the people, I'm going to taste it and I'm going to tell them, I'm going to give them my honest opinion on the taste of that food. Man, I know what I was stir this in, but let's see what I go on. I mean, I could use this still, but let's see what I'm going to do. I'm going good, man. I'm going good. Look like I know it's in my current limited resources. Alright, so maybe I try to help her a while ago, people, but she said, me she started.
Nobody got try to help me. I make sure on my part.
But that's a story for you.
I'm got no story for her.
She said a little more she put in the sweet potato too. Remember me have a taste in and tell them what it is.
Done.
Now we have soup. So people, I guess today in the final stages now. And take that with a whole heap of salt because you know really the final stage today. So I decorate that. What are you, chef? Chef! You say I'm going to kitchen that.
Tagwan, man.
Tagwan? So how much more minutes is that like?
Never cook and fries nobody yet.
No, I mean
me cooking never pies nobody yet.
You never hear nobody after them done eat where you cook and say, oh, belly hot, I need to go out. That curry a serious thing, you know. Curry known to do that, expose people, you know.
Never heard anybody.
So you do them there now? I do them there.
You put your food in my curry because you take along with you.
Oh. Normally me just cut up that and put in a seasoning, you see me? What make you do it no?
Because even if you cut your and train and put in the curry by time, the meat don't cook. The whole of this boil out and mash out and gone out the business.
Okay. So you want them to bite the potato? Okay, alright. That's true. I just think of it as gravy. Anytime I cut up that, I just think of it as gravy. So I just put it in the seasoning. So I guess I shouldn't put on the rice yet. You know, some people have the rice that bubble up over there. So
because you take long with the soap for me wash out the pot to put on the rice again. We have an explanation.
Blame it on Akid. Blame everything on Akid. Alright, so what have your explanation? So, alright. Rice from ready.
God, Jesus Christ, what is this?
Oi!
Wait for me to do.
My wife, this, you know, all this banana money, woman, all this, we can cook food.
That's true.
This is food and them, holy man, them want to let them go. They don't let them picture the cook. Now, maybe better run with them, now.
Hello. You alright, Donna? Nothing going up?
Never realized you're poor, man.
Never realized, huh?
I told him.
Okay. Make them know say I'm not just pretty face alone. Tasha, aka All Rounder.
Period.
Want a girl to look like hot girl out the road? See her, yeah? Want her to can in the kitchen, see up here? See her, yeah? Want to take care of the house and everything, deal with
Want to spend some money buying see me?
Of course. Of course. Yeah, we found my food, people. So, I guess we'll come back with some more video when she ready for change out. Because I think she can spoil the rice. So I think we need to follow up our rice cooking. So I can just give one run through how you cook the rice.
I open the rice bag and throw out the rice. We pick the rice. Okay, know the rice are nothing. Then we wash the rice and put on the rice. Most people then boil the water, then they throw the rice in the but happy cook so.
Then hold on, then throw the rice.
Then boil the water, then throw the rice.
That's what me do, that's what me do.
Happy.
But why them do it so good? Okay. But anyways, moving on. You see people, all of the rice cooker, them are like boil the water first before they put the rice in it. You see, they don't know why we do it so, But them then just make sure to point out saying no happiness and no. It's alright, yeah, we know saying no happiness. So, Mama, one of them person there. She knows how to cook her rice, but she's one of those put in the pot before it starts to boil. So, we're not following for rice cooking. So, she knows that she will pick it and she knows that she will wash it. Yeah, so we're all good in that department. We come back when food ready for share. Yeah. Listen, is this done cooking now?
Yeah, look at my rice. Coil.
Ready for eat.
Yeah,
people around there watching chat, bro. So,
look at that.
watch all this steam.
Jesus.
Get some slow motion for that.
Oh, how many seconds?
That's curry chicken. Hot girl curry chicken. Yeah.
You hungry?
So, what do you mean?
Y'all want some of my food?
I'm ready.
Make sure cook as much so we can get some. So if you don't want some, just let me know.
Ready for mine right now. When I test rice,
The rice good, man. Look at it. Nah, bun. Daddy don't burn up rice. No burn up rice.
I've heard it can
no water rice down here.
I've heard it can have tasty and everybody know how it goes.
I know some not alive and tell me just taste meat, but from me I cook the meat, me never taste it. After I finish cook just a while I taste it. And I tell her say,
she made up her thing,
I tell her say when me taste the meat, me say Jesus, me feel it in my heart down here. So I say Jesus, I would have eat some more the way me nice. Me have a whole here.
Alright, go eat some curry chicken, alright, well.
Yeah.
Alright, so
share what the food I have with you.
Well, come share out the food evermore, thank you very much. So you mean good girl, when I feel like, I think I just go a hairdresser and do hair and have eyelash and if you know say you know kitchen work too. Everything. And if I can manage it over.
Of course, can do everything for this
Alright.
Why? I want to think though, the porridge thing and I know gravy. But it is perfect.
Alright, I got to taste it right now. Alright people, here goes nothing. On a scale of 1 to 10. So
This is a night feast, okay?
person number 1. How food taste?
Out of a 10, nah lie no, cause Sagittarius never lie no.
How much I give?
I give 8. Nah,
Eat.
Brownie, how much I give out of 10? Dark book, I will
How much I give? Out of 10?
Brownie, don't lie.
Don't lie, Brownie.
Why me just eat you?
Don't believe me, Brownie.
That sound like 10. That sound like
Try the
10.
food now, out of 10, because I know you have all I season. You know you have all I season.
Exactly, not even
so out of 10.
Butter me not to go in there, right? So out of 10, you know just give me 1 10. Alright, give me 5. Tell me 5 we have now. Yeah, fine, no fat. You think I just go right? Rice not too wet, my girl.
Rice can't go on a cheap butter in the woman asking.
I need where you want it.
More salt. I cannot taste meat and I can still not taste the meat.